Great morning and welcome to the 2013 mid-year anniversary celebration of the Ultra. We have many reasons to be thankful today, but what makes us happiest is seeing all of you. Team winners, champions, and visionaries. United in presence, united in spirit, and united in action. Year after year, you keep showing us that the First VitaPlus family is indeed getting bigger, with old and new friends coming together to celebrate our success and your financial freedom. Tonight is no exception, as we promise to give you an unforgettable evening of surprises. On top of our list is the First VitaPlus Mid-Year Grand Raffle Prize, a brand new 2013 BMW Sports Utility Vehicle. Saan kaya manggagaling ang ating lucky winner? Champions ba? Your guess is as good as ours, but for now, let us look forward to a night of entertainment, camaraderie, and bonding. Because we want you to enjoy the power of one with your number one MLM company, First VitaPlus. Basta't nandito kayo, talagang tuloy-tuloy na tayo patungo sa ikalawang dekada ng tagumpay. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the reason behind our continuous success, and you are the power that drives both Doy and I to keep working hard to give you the best that First VitaPlus has to offer. You will see it tonight from our raffle prize to our grand party to Doy's latest announcements. Pagaling ng pagaling, paganda ng paganda, palakas ng palakas ang power ng First VitaPlus. I wish to congratulate you in advance for a job well done. To our loyal leaders, dealers, and speakers, I thank you for keeping the faith and for staying true to our family's vision and values. And to our First VitaPlus Power Team, continue the great work that you have started. Keep on spreading the great news of good health and financial freedom for all.